kayo mahirapan maghanap ng starter panel box na mga ventilation fan. Yan pala yung ating plano. Yun, siyempre, yun. Ito yung propeller ng makina natin. Oh. Propeller. Yun. Tapos, ito yung ano natin. Oh. Ano to? Kita nyo yun. Yan. Hanggan. Ito yung generator natin. Tanday. Taas. Doon. Yun. Ito yung photo. Platform photo. Siyempre, ang problema namin kanina, saan yung ventilation fan? Ito. At yung kanyang starting panel yun. Ventilation doon. Dito na sa electrical room, number 2. Kaya kanina, yung sinig natin. Portion na yan. Alright. Yan ang ventilation fan natin sa container ship.
Sabi ko sakit yung kukunin ko para hindi matagal eh.
Ayan.
Wow, sakit rin.
Nagalit na yung aking assistant electrician.
Marami akong idea.
Napakakalawang guys. Ayan yung ating impeller ng motor guys. Iikutin natin guys. Ayan. Uy, malambot. Ngayon, ang tanong, bakit umubong? Yan, balancer. Oh. Balancer yan guys. Oh. Kita nyo yun, balancer.
Okay.
May tubig. Yun, may wire oh. Yun, doon tayo magmimigir. Buksan ba natin yung box? Ako, may tubig. Patay. Paano kaya yan?
May drain plug dito kaya lang mababa, mataas pa.
Kinain ng impeller ng pan natin. Dahil nakaribit lang. Ayun, okay. Kable, papasok doon, basa. Pinapasok na tubig, diretso dito. Diretso doon. Oh, guys. Ayan o. Punta dito. Diretso doon sa kabila. I-access natin. Passageway sa starboard side dito. Pumasok mga guys. Nasa ito yung stop ventilation fan natin. Oh. Nasa ano na kami mga guys. Dito na kami sa tunnel. Yun kasama ko. Hahanapin namin yung kable na ito. Papunta doon sa dulo. Yun. Papunta doon sa intro. Yun. Punta natin doon. Sabi yan. Yan o. Sabi tayo dyan bro. Ayos muna ako like. Okay, sige.
Bakit naman? Ay, pipicture ta ako doon sa constituent mo. Ay, yung paano pala bukas pala alam sabi niya, uwi sa gano'n ako, mga kanta ko. Great. Sabi namin, malis ko na sabi. Basta ako, pumunta ko doon, bakit namin sabi. Kaya ako magaling lang. Kaya nararam sa akin, kasi marami kong yan.
Ay, nakakila. Transformer. Papuntak to may timer siya. Ngayon, wala siyang thermal overload relay. White to delta startup lang. Timer yan. Yan ang switchboard natin. Oh, live. Ito kasama ko yung number 1. Ano natin yung kaibigan?
Si Marie Janek!
Wala
Sabi
kaibigan.
mo, ako number 1.
Sabi ng boss. Yan, mas baro. Live yan. This is our individual fuses. This is the overload thermal relay. This overload thermal relay is set by 36 amperes. So, if there is trip, you must see this one. See, this will going here. So, if it is going here, it means it is trip. See, you can set here. Okay, this overload trip or thermal relay is set by 36 ampere, made by Schneider, no? LRD 34OL overload relay, Schneider. Okay, and then we have the auxiliary contact LAD 831 with ITH 80 ampere. See, it has ITH 80 ampere. This is 80 ampere. Take note that my motor is connected on this side going there. When the motor is started, it has initial current of 300 amperes. Then after 3 seconds, it will reduce by 30 amperes. So this is 36. We have 80 ITH here. And this is our current transformer. You see? The current transformer. You see? And then going to the circuit breaker here. This circuit breaker is made by Schneider Electric. It has set at 25 ICU. They set it by 500. You see? 500. So here IM is set by 500. So that is how you must need to adjust the circuit breaker. IM value must need to adjust by 500. The current transformer you must need to use is this one, CGH 0 to 66. Current transformer 50 per 5 ampere, 2.54 amperes. And then you must need to select the contactor with ITH value of 80 ampere. LC1D50, and you must need auxiliary contacts, overload relay. That is for our cargo hold ventilation fan. So this is our wiring diagram for cargo hold ventilation number fan. And as you can see, the motor is having 22 kilowatts with 36.9 ampere. So normally, when here say 36.9 ampere, you must need to set the overload relay by 36.9 ampere also. Okay, and use 3 by 10 millimeter squared. See, overload, that is abuses. So that is how you are going to check, do meter test and check on the wiring condition of your ventilation fan on cargo hold. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Transformer, breaker, yun, may contactor ng motor, ventilation fan, ventilation fan, ventilation fan. Ngayon, i-start natin. So, number 2 fan. Oh, ayaw mag-start. Pero itong kabila, syempre mag-i-start to guys. Yan o, stop. Okay, sabihin nito, may problema. Hahanapin. Ayun, number 1 kasama ko. Tuturuan natin paano.
Susunod na barko number.
Yan guys, so makita nyo yan o, meron siyang letter I. Ayun.
Sige ba?
Ayun o.
Saan letter I?
Ayun.
Ayun, sa 18.
Yan.
Dito wala.
Dito, wala. Malinaw siya. Uy. Yan.
Ay ba yun? Pero ay yung pag-block niya ay.
Oh,
Ay
yan.
niya pag may pag-block.
Para siya may puti na, ayan, nakalagay o.
Yan yung ano.
Yun. Pag nakaganyan yan, ibig sabihin, nakatrip. Para ma-reset ko yan, pipindutin mo itong blue. Ito.
Okay.
Yan. Pag napindot mo yung blue, nakita mo na wala yun.
Spa. Okay, wala.
Yan guys. Ayun.
Wala po naman ang marker nila.
I-start natin maestro. Sige, throw pag-start. Ayan. Kita natin mga guys.
Iikot yun doon.
Sige.
Ha?
Okay. Yun. Stop. Okay. Sige.
Tara. Start.
Paandarin mo lang.
Start lang.
O, tapos pasilip mo doon na kung umaandar doon na.
Patay ko lang. Hindi, mamaya na lang.
Patawag ako sa bridge. Bridge, pasok bridge! Bridge, pasok. Bridge, pasok bridge. Wala. Walang radyo yung bridge. Ayun dito guys, pwede nyung imigir yung mga ventilation fan motor ng mga cargo holds. Yun. Dito sa ilalim. Yan siya imigir mga guys. Doon.
Okay, Lex! Dito na ako.
Okay, start ko. Bridge, paki-switch on nga yung ano dyan. Supply pan, cargo hold number 2.
Supply pan, cargo hold number?
Number 2, yung hindi gumagana dati.
Okay, supply pan, cargo hold number 2. Kopya.
Yes, sir. Yun, guys.
Lex, number 2, supply pan ha, cargo hold number 2.
Kopya, binalulo.
Roger, ayun na. Buksan na.
Okay, throw, pasok throw.
Okay na ulit.
Mabilis yung ikot.
Hindi ko sinisilip pero ano, yung according sa tunog niya, malakas naman.
Ano siya, pahigop o pabuga?
Supply is pahigit malamang.
Pahigop sa labas, pabuga sa ilalim. Tama. Okay, sige. Bridge, pasok bridge. Paki-stop na, paki-stop.
Tumatakbo pa rin.
Okay, paki-advise sa bridge, paki-off.
Okay, patay na, patay. Switch off na.
Okay, switch off. Thank you.
Okay, stop na dito.
Sige, throw. Pwede lang itakip yan, throw. Imigir ko, test ko na lang dito.
Okay, masarap.
Ayun guys, bali, i-off natin to kapag kayo imigir test, no? Individual breaker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat na breaker guys. I-meter test natin ngayon to. Guys, no? Sa pag-meter test, make sure that there is no voltage on each wire. This is the cable going to my ventilation fan. So we can measure. I just set it by 750 volts. Line 1, line 2, okay, no voltage. And then, after checking that there is no voltage, you can make sure that your circuit breaker is off. So all ventilation fan now is off. Then we can proceed on continuity test. In continuity test, we are going to check all individual contactors from here, there, and there. So to check the continuity, we must need to check that there is continuity on this side going on this contactor. Okay, this is our contactor for motors. This one, and this one. So we need to check if there is continuity between here and on here, on the thermal overload relay. So as we check the continuity, we have the continuity, meaning this overload relay is going on this side. Also here, we can check this one. This is the first for the contactor. This is the second for this contactor. We have also. Okay, this is the third one. From there, that's one to the third one here. So this is the fourth one with contactor over there. The fourth one here, we test the continuity. Okay, so guys, this is our insulation tester, and we are going to put it on 1000 volts or 500 better. Then you must connect G on the ground, and this is for the line. So we can press this one and we can do a test. But before doing a test, you must need to record a testing. You see, if it is in good contact, you see, there is a buzzing sound, 1.84 gigaohms. See, but if I try this to put in earth, we can have a value of earth. Okay, this is earth, this is B. See, 0.16 megaohms. So this is indication of not good. For you to do a bigger test, you must need to put this black cable on earth, okay? And then you must need to put the red on the line. So we can press this one, and we can individually connect it on the cable going to the motor. So from here, I'm going to test now the line 1 of my supply pan motor on cargo port number 1. As you can see, this is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.81 gigaohms with 432 volts. This one, line to ground, 2.16 gigaohms, and then this one, it has 2.81 gigaohms. That is the insulation value at 500 watt range. Also, on the other one, we have here 1, 2, 3, 1.84 gigaohms. Here, 1.55 gigaohms. And then here, 2.59 volts. We can check also the other group of motors from here. So we do this having 1.51, 1.57 gigaohms. Here, 2.98, 3.61 gigaohms. And here, 3.52 to 3.51 gigaohms. Also this one, on the other side, we have 1.13. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.28, and this one, we have 4.08 gigaohms. See? That is how we do the insulation check, line to ground. So, after you finish, you must need to depress this one, and then you need to unconnect this one, and then switch off this one. Okay? Normally, when you have motors which is working at 450 volts, you can use a 500 volts to 1000 volts. Okay. So after doing insulation test, we must need to short line to ground, so you can remove the residual voltage that you apply on the motor. So I just connect this into ground wire, and I will make this one, so I will be able to remove the residual voltage on the motor. See? this is how we do insulation test on a bigger motor. This one, and this one, and this one. So everything now is okay. So you can remove this one. And then, from here, you need to find this is, and now you can switch on the circuit breaker. 1, then 2, and then the number, and number. That is our circuit breaker for individual fans. See, and it has type NSX 100F, that is the ampere frame, 800 volts, UIMP 8 kilovolts, and category A. So the setting of my overload relay is set by 30, how much is this? 38 amperes, or 38 amperes. So this one, you can check the setting, 36. So in this cargo hold, we have individual starter panel, and we've noticed that it was included on number 9, group starter. So we can test the number 1 exhaust fan, this one, start, see, you can the running hours here, see, we can stop here, okay, we can start also this one, start, running hours, stop, we can also use this one, start, this one, supply number, start, see, stop, 30 amperes, and this is to type pan number 2, we have here, start, see, 300 ampere, it has running hours like this, we can switch off now, okay, so everything here on group number 9 is okay. Shoutout dyan sa mga taga
Mga tarim! Pangasinan!
mga tarang Pangasinan. Ito pala, kababayan ko pala to. Matagal ko ng kababayan, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Antoy Agawa, anak na lasi, masamsami sukin.
Oh, magaling ka pala mag-Ilocano nga eh.
Masamsami so urang.
Panggalatok yan.
Masamsami so urang, hipon, Panggalatok, Pangasinan. Yun naman Ilocano. Ano ba yung hipon sa...
Hindi ko alam kasi misis lang na.
Ay! Peke pala ito. Ayun, mga tarang Pangasinan. Kami, taga Lukaw kami. Lukaw, Pangasinan, Dagupan City. Maraming masasarap na bangus. Sa kanila, maraming masasarap na
Tupig.
tubig. Ayun, tubig malagkit. Ito, tamang-tama, bukas. November 1, maraming tubig doon. Yun. Ito, gagawin na namin yung aming limit switch na hindi gumagana.